Thinking of making a move? I always get asked, what is the best way to proceed? Buy or sell first. Reasons to buy before selling are: 1. You lock in your interest rate now, especially if you know they are on the rise. 2. You can afford to pay 2 mortgages at once if needed. 3. Your current home is in high demand with low supply, and your trusted realtor has assured you that you can sell quickly. 4. You plan on renovating your new home extensively. Now, reasons to sell before you buy could be: 1. You know how much you'll get in your pocket before going out to find the perfect home. This ensures confidence in your buying power. Now, 2. You avoid the stress and the cost of your home not selling and avoid paying 2 mortgages. 3. There is high supply and low demand for your home, and your trusted realtor has assured you that your selling can take more time than usual. Planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? Give us a call. We're here to help.